If you want to enable or disable Quick Share on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, the easiest way to do so is by going to the Control Center, and then over here in the Control Center you should be able to find this button with two arrows in the circle. So you want to press and hold your finger in order to go to the Quick Share settings. Now if you open this, you should be able to go to who can share with you. If you want to disable Quick Share, you want to turn off the visibility. And if you want to use it, then of course visibility must be enabled. But in addition to that, you might want to switch the visibility to, for example, everyone, or everyone for 10 minutes, depending how much time you need. So this ensures that your device is actually detectable by every other device nearby. So you don't have to worry if you have the other device saved in contacts on your Google account or something like that. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.